Landscape photography is a creative process, and filters are vital creative tools. There are some effects that filters are able to impart that cannot be replicated in post-production. Polarizers are a really good example of this, and so too are ND standard filters. Both of them provide us with effects that are not reproducible in any other way. They're very much part of the craft of photography in the field. And I'd now like to show you how they work in practice. The polarizer is an important part of the landscape photographer's armory. It has a number of advantages for us. The most obvious one, I think the one most people already know and understand, is that it darkens a blue sky. But it has other applications. It takes reflections off vegetation, for example, so that often increases the saturation of the colours, and it can be really useful by water, taking off specular reflections and also allowing you to see underneath the surface of the water. After the ND grad, the polarizer is really the most important filter that a landscape photographer needs. And it's an expensive item, there's no doubt about that, but you only need one because the system holder has an external accessory ring. So you have a 105mm polarizer thread, and that fits onto this ring which needs to be attached to the outside of the holder. And I recommend fitting the polarizer onto the holder before you put it on the camera. And it's best to hold the holder flat. Just put the polarizer down on top of it and screw down. This avoids the danger of dropping it. The polarizer does darken the light coming into the camera a little, and I therefore think it's easiest to set the orientation of the polarizer before you put it on the camera. And it's worth pointing out that it's in a rotating turret, so you don't have to turn the holder, you're actually turning the polarizer itself in its ring. The orientation I always do like that, with the brass lug on the right at 3 o'clock as I'm looking at the scene. And if you look at the scene through the polarizer, rotate the turret, and the differences are often quite easy to, well, they are much easier to spot this way than when it's in camera. And in this case, it's actually very obvious what's happening too. In order to get the exposure time a little bit longer and to get a slightly more fluid feel to the water, I've decided to use an ND standard, and that's just neutral density solid filter. This is a 2-stop, which should be enough here. And I'm going to take the holder off and insert it off camera, usually safest, and put it in the back guide rails. Now, I've also noticed that, especially when the sun comes out with this picture, the waterfall at the bottom is very, very brightly lit, and I think I can improve the image further and also allow myself to expose a little bit more in the background by using an ND grad inverted. Probably quite a light one, so 0.6 or 0.3, but 0.6 probably here. And I'm going to take the holder off again and insert this one, guide rails 2, upside down from my point of view. Now obviously the image is fairly dark, but it's bright enough for me to see the effects, even so, and I can just move the grad up and down, and it's doing exactly what I wanted it to. The exposure has come down quite a bit as well. I'm now down to 1 second at my preferred aperture. Just going to quickly make a test picture.